Look back.
Yeah, Vicky, take him.
Aiden, look.
Hold up a minute.
Hold on. Aiden, no. Aiden. Aiden. It's fine.
Aiden, no.
Aiden.
Aiden, no.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, Mama, here's some stuff that we did before.
Good boy. Thank you.
That's okay.
Ava can play. That was good
Hey,
move.
Aiden. Aiden, ready? Hey,
Oh,
Mom.
eggplant can spray.
You didn't know?
It's a spraying eggplant.
All you do
I was
is
gonna
just
get
squeeze
a
it.
chipmunk sit in
Alright, try that.
on the
Come
bottom
on,
there,
corn.
so you can have little squeeze bubbles.
Corn?
Ready, Aiden? Aiden, open it. Open. Wow.
Here, we'll help
I'll
you.
take him.
Cool, you get a water bottle.
Hi, buddy.
Got Elizabeth.
Ooh, I love those shorts.
Oh, good. Ava, get back. Aiden. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I thought those were
Wow.
potty pants.
Potty pants.
Cool, just like the door thing that you made today.
Letters.
Remember, like you made at the park today? And that goes with the letters.
What are they looking for, Dad?
Aiden, you can make some like
A
you
little
made
bit more
today.
comfortable with bum, okay? Side table.
He's doing the clothes.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, baby.
I'm glad I taught him that.
Yeah, bro. Good.
That's cup.
Oh, a new cup.
Aiden, there's some more stuff I think.
Aiden, don't worry. Look at all the stuff you have. Look.
That's my biggie. Aiden, there's some
Ava,
more
you're not
stuff.
opening it.
Here goes both yours.
You're not opening it.
Yeah.
Just don't let them see you, that's all.
Here we go, potty pants. Diego potty
Yeah.
pants.
Comes over, puts it aside. And it goes back over. Aiden, don't worry about it.
That's cup.
What's that? Is that
What are
potty
those?
pants? Aiden, what are those? What are these?
Mom, go.
Good to go underwear?
Aiden. Yeah, Aiden.
Aiden, look. Look at Gigi.
Look behind you.
Oh, golf. Ooh,
That's the kind of club I need right there.
Books? Books, Aiden, you got new books. Holy cow, Aiden, you made out like a bandit. Books, and books that read to you. In case your parents were sleeping.
Gigi's so glad she took Grandpa shopping.
Yeah.
Books that read to you?
Yeah.
I need that kind of book.
I got orange.
Orange?
Books on tape, Jesse.
Yeah, baby.
Those are called books on tape.
Yeah, baby.
Dago. Aiden, look. Diego pillow and
That's your
blanket.
traveling kit when you go to Auntie's house.
Oh, yeah, speaking of, I have Drew's blanket.
Awesome. Oh, you found the card. Good. Give that to Grandpa.
Grandpa doesn't want to put them there.
I don't think he needs to. I think he get him out. That's just my thought on the whole thing. Hey, Grandpa. That can go on the water or around. Aiden, what are you saying? I hope you're saying nice things.
Wait, what was that? I want to see.
Is that for the tub?
It can be, yeah.
Yes, it
Tough
can.
strike. I mean, it's totally common sense.
Aiden, nice.
Wait, I want to see the last thing that he just got. I didn't get to see it.
Oh, it's on an organizer thing.
Oh. Ah, cool.
More potty pants.
Potty pants. Two Diego movies.
Aiden.
This matches his plate.
Diego movies. Aiden, go. Aiden. Aiden. Go. Toothpaste. Aiden. Toothpaste. Aiden. Look at me. Oh boy.
Aiden, look at your mother.
Aiden, do this.
Okay, movies.
Book.
Read
Every picture I take.
Oh, you should watch that with TJ. TJ loves little
Movie. Oh, good. They can do watch together.
They do watch movies together at my house. Aiden sits in Darren's lap and they can sit there for hours. Aiden,